warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rohana Pratiwi and I'm from the class A, my CRN 1854 00 and 20. Okay, in here I want to answer the question from Mr. Rifai. Okay, I have 5 questions from Mr. Rifai. So this is question about COVID-19 virus. Yes. Okay. Okay, I want to read the question and then I want to answer. Okay. Okay, number 1. The question 1. Watch the following video of a country that many of its citizens did recently of the virus. Tell me what has happened and why it's happened seriously there. Okay, if I watching the video from Mr. Fai, so I got some country infected the COVID-19 virus, such as America, and then Africa, and Australia, and then Asia, and etc. So I got one of country is the most infected COVID-19 virus. Yeah, it is America country. You know America country. America country, the most infected COVID-19 virus, because the government less concerned the people, yes, and then the president led lockdown and low economy, yeah, and then okay, and the number 2 question, based on your views, what has been prepared and conducted by our government to prevent the outbreak of the virus largely in Indonesia? Yeah, okay. I want to answer the question. Okay. In Indonesia already prepared for prevent COVID-19 virus. Yes. The government order for the people stay at home and then often using hands approximately 20 seconds. Yeah. And then you must using mask if you out of house. Yeah. So this is one of to prevent the outbreak of the virus largely in Indonesia. Okay, next the question number 3. Okay, I want to read. What are the ways prevention to avoid being infected by the virus based on your views? Okay, this is the question number 3. I want to answer. Yeah, the question number 3. Okay, you must follow the government regulation. Yeah, because it is very important for all the people. Yeah, if you not follow regulation from the government, yeah, will be very dangerous for everyone. Yeah, will be very dangerous for everyone because you must maintain cleanliness and then stay at home and using hands as soap. Okay, and then okay, next number 4 question. What have you done to prevent for not being infected by the virus? Okay, this is a question from number 4. Okay, I follow the regulation from government, yeah, because I stay at home and then I wash my hands using soap, and then approximately 20 seconds, yeah, I using my hands, and then I learning online at home, yeah, that's true, because, and then don't forget to sunbathe, yeah, because sunbathe, yeah, you know, sunbathe is make your body is healthy, yeah, it is one of you not infected the COVID-19 virus, yeah, okay, this is one of. And then the last question. According to you, when will it be over? Okay, I don't know when will it be over the virus. Yeah, so I hope the virus. Okay, I hope the virus will it be over in Indonesia and like usual. Okay, and we can look news day by day. More people recovering. Yeah, we know that. Okay, so we must pray. Always pray to the God. So I hope the virus not spread more. Okay. And thank you. Okay, thank you so much. This is 5 answer. Then and then 5 questions. So and bye for the next video. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And thank you so much. Bye.